from America in 1907. From a sawmill, they sent me in a granite wall. Held a roof of slate above my head and below a great big hall. My roots are gone, but my grain looks good in this glossy varnish. And I've seen them pray, I heard them say that they're dead to go to heaven, but they were mostly alive when they sang their hymns in harmony. But hidden in the wall, alien spores waiting. Die, circular, die. Die, circular, die. A century of sanctuary, and I'm as strong as can be. This old place is now unoccupied. Just the gathering of dust and the smell of damp, absorbing all the pride. But I'll hold this roof right to the end in my glossy varnish. I still hear them pray, hear them say that they're dead, go to heaven, but they were mostly alive when they sang their songs in harmony. But creeping from the walls, alien worms mutating. Die, circular, die. Die, circular, die. These alien worms keep coming, they're coming to attack me. I don't know what to do, they're sucking the life out of me. I don't know what they want, I'm losing my sanity. The roof's gonna fall, roof's gonna fall. They're sucking the life out of me. Sucking the life, sucking the life, sucking the life, the life, the life out of me. Suddenly, a savior with a chemical solution airs the place. Once again I breathe. I thought I was a gunner, I really wasn't ready to leave. Now I'm all fixed up with a nice new coat of glossy varnish, and these new guys don't